Greetings one and all, welcome back to my channel here today where it is New Year's Eve. So yeah, this is a bit of a special video. It's going to be a little bit contemplative. It's not a cooking video, so if you're here for a cooking video, tune out now. It's more just a discussion about where my YouTube channel is heading in the future. Now, my channel is very small. I have I've got a few subscribers, but the vast majority of my subscribers don't even watch my videos. I think last time I looked, it's about 3 or 4%. Now, in saying that, I have a very loyal following of my video channel, and I really want to thank you people. You know who you are, and I'm gonna put down on the bottom of the screen some of your names now, because you guys have been awesome. I've been going for a bit over 5 years now, and many of you have been here from the very start, and yeah, I just want to say I so appreciate it. It's been such a good thing. I started this channel, I had no idea about how to do YouTube, anything like that. I just sort of had a crack at it. I didn't really even understand the subscribing system. I've explained all this before anyway, but yeah, it's been good, and I've enjoyed it, and I've had fun. I always said this channel is just for my fun, something for me to do. I've enjoyed it, which brings us to tonight, New Year's Eve, on the verge of 2025. So probably the people who will understand this most are those loyal subscribers who've been following all my videos. My life recently has taken a big change. I've recently been married. I've become a stepfather. I've had to travel a lot to do with that. My wife is African, Kenyan specifically. We've had to endure quite a bit of red tape, a few trials and tribulations getting all those marriage things together. I might even expand on those in future videos, and I guess that's what I'm trying to tell you, is I'm not really at this point in time anymore enjoying making these cooking videos that I've been making for the last 5 years. Now, there's a few reasons for that. One is I'm not actually a chef. I'm a home cook. I just cook what I like to eat, and I've made videos about it. And I'm kind of, in some ways, at the end of my repertoire. Now, every time I think I want to make a new video, I'm kind of thinking of things that I don't really want to cook. I'm just cooking it for the sake of making a video, and that's not what I want to do. I'm doing this for fun. I'm doing this for entertainment. I shouldn't say I don't get any, but I do get a small amount of money from this small channel. But when I say small amount, I mean small amount. So I won't say I don't get any amount of money, but it doesn't even cover. Let me put it this way. The money I make from the YouTube channel barely even covers the ingredients when I make a recipe, which doesn't matter because I get to eat that. So I'm not losing. I'm not complaining that I'm losing money, but yeah, I'm just explaining. I'm not a money-making YouTubeist per se, and I never thought I would be. So yeah, the reason I'm talking to you now, I'm making this video, is I actually don't want to shut my YouTube channel. I might actually just, I don't know, take this opportunity to maybe even take it in a totally different direction. And I don't even know at this point, New Year's Eve, on the verge of 2025, what that direction is. I've got no idea. I'm just going to take stock. During the course of me making these videos, I've had multiple times where I've thought, wow, I wish I could make videos about this and that, but I'm a cooking channel, I can't do that. But guess what? This is my YouTube channel. I've just come to this realization, probably just in the last couple of days. It's my YouTube channel. I can actually put whatever videos I like on it, and I know it will upset people who have subscribed to the channel because they subscribed knowing or believing that it's a cooking channel. And if you people unsubscribe because of that, I've got no problems with that. I totally understand. I will say this, as this channel goes forward, I will keep making cooking videos. It's something I like doing, but it's just not going to be the week in, week out grind, cooking video, cooking video, cooking video, cooking video. I might go in other directions. I don't even know what direction, like I say. There are plenty of directions I could go in. I've for a long time thought about making a channel about mental health issues. I'm actually, for those that don't know, and probably none of you know, I've worked for over 40 years in the mental health industry. There are many things regarding mental health issues that are important to me, especially regarding topics we don't talk about much: depression, suicide prevention, things like that I've wanted to talk about on YouTube, but because I'm a cooking channel, I haven't been able to. I love photography. I could talk about that on YouTube. I love traveling. I could do traveling videos, which I've kind of done, but more by circumstance, in that I've been traveling back and forth to Kenya. I'd love to keep making more travel type videos whilst I'm in Kenya, and I'll be going back to Kenya soon for obvious reasons. My family's still there. I'm trying to get them to Australia, but while we're in that process, I will still be going back to Kenya, and we're going to travel around and look at more parts of Kenya. We might even visit some neighbouring countries, Tanzania, Uganda, wherever, and I'd like to make some videos about that. I'm an absolute avid bird watcher. Something that I'm very passionate about, nature, but bird watching in particular. I'd love to get some video of some beautiful African birds. Maybe that would make some nice YouTube videos. I mean, the topics are endless. I just want to be free from now. This is my my New Year's resolution, and as I say, an apology to those who've subscribed to a cooking channel. Please unsubscribe if this is annoying you. But even recently, I've been taking up painting. I've even enjoying that. I could make videos about that. Yeah, why not? I'm no artist, just as I'm no chef. You can make videos about anything, but I've enjoyed the process of painting, making art from nothing, and you know, like, I guess the point I'm trying to make is, there are no limits on what you can do. It's my platform, it's my life. I can talk about things I enjoy doing, make videos about them, put them on YouTube and see if anyone else enjoys them. So yeah, here I am. I don't often get in front of the camera. It's not my bag in the past, but maybe I'll get in front of the camera a little bit more. I'll get a bit more used to it. I know the light's really bad in here. I need to get some better equipment. If I do go down this path, better lighting, better grooming. I know I look a bit rough around the edges. That's just, you know, it's New Year's Eve. I have had a few beers. Yeah, I'll admit that. And I've just come to the realisation that I want to be honest. I don't want to keep feeling like doing something that has been fun and joyful, but it's now sort of becoming more of a chore. Why should I keep doing it? It doesn't make sense. So anyway, guys, Happy New Year. Happy 2025. If you want to comment on this video, maybe try and be positive. I understand I might get a few negative comments. Let us know what your New Year's resolution are for 2025. These are mine. I'm going to I'll definitely be showcasing more of my family life. My life basically has started again late in life, and I'm very, very happy about that. I'm very much very fortunate man to be in the position I'm in. I hope I'm smiling. I don't know how this will come across, but with this bad lighting. But anyway, as I say, Happy New Year, and I will see you all next time. Alrighty guys, so I just ducked out for a bit. I had a bit of a shower, just to freshen up. I've changed one of my props. Self-promotion. Yeah, I realised that was a long sort of introduction video, what I'm up to. I just felt I needed to explain it. Yeah, just looking at it, re-watching it, it is a bit long-winded, but I'm just going to leave it. It was all done in one take. I'm just going to leave it as is. Alrighty guys, I hope I don't lose too many subscribers. If I do, like I say, I totally understand. If you're watching this for the first time, I invite you to join me on my journey. Let's see where we go with this. Like I say, I strive to make some more interesting content. I will continue sporadically to make cooking videos. It just won't be the main focus of the channel anymore. So yeah, if you're new, please subscribe. Alrighty, now I'll see you all next time.